So I was checking this fetching expiry date function. I remembered about the meta function we have just discarded few times back. So I'll just copy it back. Let me just copy it. So this was the entire function. So let's just rename that expiry history. We basically need a symbol, start name and end date. Do not need anything else. If the end date is not given, then we can do it something like this. If end date is not given, then end date is start date. Rest should be fine. And it was, I guess, last meta. We deleted in the previous video. End date, removing this option type, instrument type. We'll be only needing this symbol. Hmm. Let's just print the payload. Also, let's see what happens if I do not give this ended at all. No, let's first give the end date, and we'll do the removing part in the later part. So it looks pretty nifty. So it is thinking something. So you need to just do it. I'm just doing some other work in my other computer. Let it work. So meanwhile, I need to see what is next. So far, I have done stock price, stock future price, stock option price, index price. Okay, so we are at the index price. So index price, the prices can come from the NSE site, which we have just done for the NSE VIX. But we need to see the Nifty indices actually. Let me just look at the APIs also. So for historical data, let me just check. Authorized candidate historical data is here. Hmm. Something like this. Submit. Okay, submit. So this is a bad JSON structure. I can't actually solve this one. Let me just check if it's working or not. CMD. Okay, so let me first check what is happening. Okay, so this is working properly. Inside the data it is coming. So let me just figure out the data part. And after the data part, it is actually the 1012. Okay, so it is showing all the expiries during this period, which is fine. And if I remove the end date, I guess it is remembering the end date by some reason. So what will happen if I do not give anything at all like this? Just the symbol. That also works. Okay, that is fine. Let me just write this down, all of them. I think it does not matter that what date you are giving, it will just show any date if you want. Is that true? Let me just check. Okay, no, it is not like that. It's basically remembering the end date from the variables like this. Now we shall be seeing the data fine. Anyways, it's working, so let's not do more stuff on it. Now, where were we? We were supposed to be doing this one. I do not think we need the cookies at all. Request is also coming. Header data. We need to reformat the data like properly in a proper manner. Yeah. So let me just add this stuff. Now this should work perfectly. So what was the name of the function in the NSE index site? Get history. No, that should not work. Derivative history, equity history, this should be the index history. Now that's cool. This header should be something like Nifty indices header. Symbol start end it. Okay, so it takes P ratio. So I'll be just looking in the same site. Okay, where is the site? This is the site. Okay, PE ratio, historical data, Nifty 50. Okay, historical index data. There are many things here. Cool, cool. For some reason, this is not working. Okay, so let's see how how this is coming. I guess this the response type is also same. PE history, but it is giving so many more things. PE PB DB yield. PE PB DB yield. Yeah, it is working very much fine. Now, what else is there? So, total index. Okay, I do not know what this is. Total return index. So, whatever this is, we'll just code it. Okay, so that is working too. So, I guess that is all. Whatever in the NSEPy, I have done all. Daily Bhab copy. So let me check where from the verb copy is coming. That is from the NSE side, right? NSE India. That is not something very hard. Verb copy. Hmm. So somebody added a debugger debugger here. Okay, so that is not an issue. Hmm. So I guess this is the bulk deal, block deal, everything, right? So let's add every function like this. Copy. So I guess this is the verb copy. Let me copy the link. Get verb copy. So this is the link. June. Nah, I don't think so. So what other verb copies are there? Full verb copy. Yeah. So this is the full one. Everything is here. So why not do the whole stuff? Hmm. So how to get today's date? So date is something like, so you can actually pass this value properly. 2021, let's say. In such case, I have to do date replace minus thing with fine. Okay. Hmm. It should work. You can change the data and you can actually make a for loop and download all the verb copies using this one. Okay, sorry, it is getting the verb copy but not printing it. Uh, yeah, you can use the for loop. So this is a nice implementation. Yeah. So verb copy is also done. What else is there? Daily verb copy done. RBI reference date I will not do. This does not make any sense. Phishing done. Wix history. Okay, I'll be looking into this one. Option price done. index future price done, index price done, stock option price done, future price done. Okay, so everything is done except this VIX history. So I do not know from where I'll get that, but I'll look into it. I do not think that matters that much because we have the PE thing, correct? So where is it? But let's add some more functions like the bulk. I just saw something like the bulk. Yeah, bulk deal, block deal. Let me see if something is interesting there. Mutual fund, no. Market activity report, no. Short selling, what is this? Anyways, margin trading disclosure. I do not think we need anything else, but I'll just look into the short selling thing. I don't even know what does this mean. Okay, so let's add the bulk deal and block deal. Get. I think this should be. That's it. Block. Yeah, it is coming fine. So let me just put these things in the documentation and put it. So that's it.